Hi, I'm Lauri Kane from the Center for Cosmetic Surgery and Medi-Spa, the Plastic Surgery Office of Dr. Dean Kane. Now this talk is actually going to be directed toward people who've actually been in our practice, are patients of ours, and have been on the ZEO system with us, because what I'm going to recommend is more of an advanced level of one of Dr. Obaji's products. You would have needed, if you want to use it in the way I'm going to talk about it, you really should have been on a tretinoin for quite a while, or if you have this product at home, you will know that you can use it either in a very light way, or I'm going to explain where if you're trying to do something pretty dramatic for yourself and really get a good peel, a really great exfoliation from your skin. This is called Advanced Radical Night Repair. It's a very powerful retinol, and it goes on like a little lamb. It feels so good. It's really gentle, feels wonderful, and it has a roar of a lion. So what happens is if you apply it like 2 or 3 days in a row, because typically you would only use this every other or maybe only 2 or 3 times a week, but if you apply it morning, night, morning, night, morning, night for about 3 nights, 3 days in a row, you get a pretty powerful peel out of this one product. And that's something you could be doing at home while you're working at home and being remote. All right, if you're looking for more information about this, give me a call, 410-602-3322, and I'd love to be able to explain it more in detail. All right, give me a call.